I have a Universal Yum tasting for you guys. This is my October box, and this month we are going to Germany. So if you guys haven't seen these videos, I basically unbox my monthly snack box and taste the products and go ahead and tell you guys if the snack is a 1 to 10 based on my own preference. And I just think that this is a lot of fun. I kind of just wanted to do something different on my channel. It does come with a little pamphlet. I thought that this was super cute. It has like the Hansel and Gretel house because that story, it comes from Germany. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into it. I will describe to you guys what the snack is, kind of test it, and tell you guys my rating on it. So first thing that I see here is this bag, and hopefully I don't missay this. It says Swebbles? But this is what it looks like. I see that there's an onion on there. I want to say that these are onion rings. Hopefully they're like the Funyuns. And it says it's an they have a Weimers Onion Festival in September in Germany. So it originates back to 1653, where locals would share their onions for winter. I did not know that. It's Germany's oldest folk festival, and it's 157 years old. So people stock up on fresh onions, relish. They have a famous onion pie and watch the crowning of the onion queen. That is so hilarious. So these are like an oniony yum. Let's go ahead and taste them and see, and I'll give my rating. So they smell sort of like Funyuns, a little bit stronger though. So they're really, really tiny. That's how tiny they are. If you've ever eaten Funyuns, they're a lot bigger. Okay, when I first started biting into it, it tasted kind of like a Funyun, but as I ate more of it, like you can really, like it's Funyun times 10 on the onion. I'm not mad though. Even though they're really strong on the onion, I would give it like an 8 or 9 out of 10. It does taste good. I really like it. I don't know if I would eat like the whole bag because the onion taste is so strong. Also, if you know you're gonna meet your loved one or kiss your husband, I don't think that this would be something to snack on beforehand, because I can just tell like your breath is gonna smell like straight up onions. So those were yummy. Next up, I see another bag of chips, and these are, hopefully I don't butcher this, I want to say Pulmis, and it says ketchup. So I don't know. Let's go ahead and find this. These are ketchup potato sticks. So apparently German snack for anyone who loves fries. It's a combination of ketchup, fries, and currywurst. And apparently this is a classic dish from Germany, which has, they put curry powder, ketchup over grilled German wurst sausage and fries, which fries are Pommes in German. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. So let's go ahead and taste this. I don't know what currywurst is. I've never tasted that before or heard of it. So they definitely smell like straight up ketchup, and they're pretty long. I can't really taste the currywurst. I can definitely taste the ketchup. It tastes like French fries with like, and as you taste it, it tastes like ketchup. So these are actually really good. I would give it like a 9 out of 10. Lately, I feel like all my boxes have been so good. There's nothing in there that I'm just like, ugh. Next up, we have a little yum bag. So these are usually like little candies and such. Let's go ahead and see what is in here. So first up is this tiny little square, and it has a little fruit on there. I'm not sure what fruit that is. Let's go ahead and see this in the... So these are assorted sour fruit candy. They are chewy candies, And it says, if you learn from Hansel and Gretel, it's that you should never judge a book by its cover. So these are sparkling sugar. Let me see. It says it may look plain as you unwrap it, but one chew will reveal a succulent burst of apple, passion fruit, black currant, or grapefruit. If you know me, I love passion fruit. So apparently this is like their picture of a passion fruit. I was like, what fruit is that? And I got quite a few of these in here. So I got 2 passion fruit, an apple, and then a, I want to say blueberry one. So since I have 2 of the passion fruit, I'm going to go ahead and taste that. So it's just a plain white, like taffy looking candy. And I'm just gonna pop it in. It's kind of like a taffy. It's not as tacky or like sticky on your teeth, so it's a little bit more chewy. It's sweet, but I don't really taste the passion fruit in here. It does make like your mouth water, so it's a nice chew, but I can't really taste the fruit itself. Like I wanted to taste that passion fruit taste. So I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10 just because I really wanted the flavor of the fruit to come out, the passion fruit, and it didn't. But I do like the taste of it. It's nice and sweet. And next I see this thing. It's like a little cow on it. It's super cute. And it's called Con Bonbon, and it says Mish and Honig. I want to say it's milk and honey in German, but we shall see. Okay, oh yeah, it's milk and honey caramels. It's a sweet unification of flavor. Apparently on October 3rd, 1990, Germany's separate states were reunited as a single country for the first time in 45 years. To celebrate October 3rd as Unity Day. So, okay, so this is like a union of creamy milk and stick honey in a ultra soft caramel. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take a bite out of this because it seems pretty big and I don't want it to get really caught up in my teeth. So it looks super yummy. It looks like a little caramel stick. So that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to bite into half of it. Oh, it's not too caramelly. It's almost like a soft nugget. Oh, this is delicious. If you like honey, you're really going to like this. Like, you can really taste the honey in it. And it's nice and soft where it just like kind of like melts into your mouth. And it's not like too caramel. You know, like caramel like sticks to your teeth. It has like that taste of caramel without like the stickiness of it in the candy. That to me is going to be a 10 out of 10. Really yummy. I would have that, like, I would eat those for sure. Next up we have the waffles. And these are lemon wafer ones, which I'm not mad at. I love lemon anything. And this is called Lemon Wafer Bar, crispy, crumbly, and oh so lemony. Who doesn't love a squeeze of lemon on their schnitzel or citrusy kick in the sauerkraut? With all the ways lemons are incorporated into their cuisine, you'd think Germany's lemon orchards would go on for miles. Except for they actually don't grow natively at all. So apparently Germany is the second biggest importer of citrus in the whole world. Wow. And when you're making sweets like these crispy lemon wafers, we can understand why they're so in high demand. I absolutely love lemon. Maybe I should move to Germany because I love anything with lemon in it. So I did not know that that was something very popular in Germany, is that people like lemon stuff. So these are the wafers. They just look like regular wafers. They're kind of thick. Oh my god. 10 out of 10. Love. The lemon is so like sour and in there. I know my mom would have a hissy fit if she tried this because she hates, like, she hates a strong word, but she does not like sour stuff. So she would be like, ah. But this is so yummy. I love lemon. And the amount of lemon in here is perfect. Last product that I have is the Haloren Kugeln. I know someone's gonna be like, you butchered that. But these are little bonbons. It says traditional chocolate cream filled with stracciatella covered in dark chocolate. I totally butchered that. It says Kugeln, a type of chocolate that translates to globe. So this kind of like a little bonbon. And it's filled with decadent stracciatella, one of Germany's favorite flavors of gelato. Filled with cream and chocolate flakes. Okay, so let's go ahead and open these up. Oh my god, there's so many in here. Look at this. This is so cute. I'm gonna just try one and let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna just grab this and you can see that it's creamy on the inside and it has like the little chocolate pieces. It's very delicious. The taste of the stracciatella is something that I've never tasted before. And I don't even know how to describe it, but it's almost like, I want to say like a mixture of vanilla with cream. It's very, very delicious. These are delicious. I know my family is gonna have a hissy fit with these. Really, really yum. These are so good. 10 out of 10 for that. Not really sure what stracciatella is, but it's delicious. And that is it for my Yum box this month. Overall, I really, really love this month. There was no fails in here for me. All of them were like really delicious to my taste buds. Just absolutely yummy, 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 yummy. I've really been loving these boxes and just trying different flavors from around the world. Even when I don't like gravitate to something, it's still fun to kind of taste it. Let me know if you guys have tried any snack boxes, what your thoughts are. I know there's a few available. So far, I really, really love the Universal Yum one. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to continue watching these videos. Thank you guys so much for those who do still watch a lot of my videos. I truly, truly appreciate it. And if you made it to the end of these, leave little french fries, little emoji french fries down below for the homies. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you ain't subscribed, that little red button is how you subscribe for free. Also, my social media is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.